So if you're trying to get one of the best camera and some gear for a very low price, you should watch this video. So if you're the first time watching my YouTube channel, my name is QJ Tech and I'm from Jamaica, and I really appreciate if you guys could smash that subscribe button right there. See right there, I really appreciate it. So we're gonna get straight into the video right now. So the first thing that we're gonna buy today is a camera. So what type of camera we're gonna buy is the Panasonic G7, one of the best camera that you can find on the market for a low price that can give you high quality video. So we're gonna get the Panasonic G7. So the best place to buy this camera is on Newegg. One of the best places to buy cameras or any type of equipment for for a low price. So we're gonna go over to Newegg. Right now I'm loving the price for this camera body. It's for $300, so we cannot go wrong with this camera. So we're gonna add it to the cart. So the total price for the camera is $335 and a couple cents. So we gotta get this camera. So now we're gonna get a lens for the camera, because we have to have a lens for the camera, or we're gonna use the camera with a lens. So the lens that we're gonna buy today is the 25mm, one of the most review lens on YouTube. Everybody be doing review on this lens. I don't know why, but everybody love this lens, and I'm gonna be real with you guys, this is a very good lens. So we're gonna get this lens for $147. So we're gonna add that to the cart. So now we need a microphone. We need a good microphone that can capture good audio. So the microphone that I'm gonna recommend to buy is the Rode microphone. So we're gonna go see if we can get it for a very low price. So I'm gonna get this one. It's very low. This is the lowest price you can find one of these microphones right now. Or if you want to buy a used microphone, you could. I'm gonna buy a new microphone. I don't know. So we're gonna add that to the cart. One thing that I love about this microphone, you don't gotta use no battery for the microphone. So you just can plug it to your camera and use it without no battery. That's dope. So what we want to buy next is, let me see, let's get a tripod, because we need a tripod to put our camera on. So we're gonna get a tripod for, I don't know, for the lowest price that we can get it for. Yeah, we want to get a good tripod. I'm not talking about those type of tripod like this type of tripod. I'm gonna put it on the screen. So I don't recommend using all those tripod for like beginners, because you're gonna buy this tripod for $15 and then it's gonna stop working over a couple more months. Right now I got my tripod, and I don't know. I wish I'd never buy that tripod, because it's not working. You feel me? So the tripod that we're gonna get is this tripod for $45. Yeah, this is very good tripod. If you want to see review on this tripod, I think there's lots of review on YouTube for this tripod, so you can go there and see if you can find it. So we're gonna buy that. So we're gonna add that to the cart. So one more thing that we want to buy is a battery. We need a battery for the camera, because we just can't use one battery for the camera. So we need to at least have 3 batteries for the camera. So we're gonna buy 2 battery. So we're gonna add that to the cart. So also the camera gonna come with battery, so you don't gotta worry about it not gonna come with battery. It's gonna come with battery. So yeah. So now we want to get some lights. So the best place we can go and get some cheap lights is on eBay. Yeah, eBay. So the light we're gonna buy is a softbox light. So we're gonna get a studio light. So we're gonna search for studio light. So this one we're gonna get for $37.99. We're gonna get this one right here. So why are we gonna choose this light? Cause you just starting out, you don't got a lot of money to buy those expensive lights. So we're just gonna work with what we can afford right now. So we're gonna get this light right here. So that was the total of everything. So yep. So it's 2 days later now. I think I almost got everything that I buy. So far I got the lights. I'm also using one of the lights now to do this video. We got the tripod, the camera, and also we're waiting on the lens and the microphone and the battery. So those are the few things that we're waiting on right now. So I'm gonna be doing a review on all of these products that I have buy. So if you guys want to see those review, please stick around for that video. So I'm gonna be seeing you guys in another video. So peace out, see you guys soon again. Thank you guys for watching my video.